Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cari Salgado, and in today's video I want to make a comparison of these two products, and one is the Dior Prestige cotton pads and the other one is the the Chanel cotton pad. So if you are new here, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing, because in this channel you can find unboxings, hauls, products review, home decor and more. And I'm gonna leave you the other in the link down below, this video right here, which is the unboxing of this beauty right here, and this one right here, which is the unboxing of the Dior cotton pad. So you're gonna see them very in details. Okay, I'm gonna compare both of these products. I have this one for a while. I didn't even know that the Dior cotton pad ones exists, but I'm gonna show you both of the products. I'm gonna show you the price and the size of the actual cotton, in the difference between both of them. You're gonna see the brands, the Dior and the Chanel logo, where it is it, and which cotton pad rock the logo better. I'm gonna tell you the pros and the cons for me from each of these products, and which one I prefer if I will buy this product again. Okay, so I'm gonna start showing you actually the bags. Let me close this one so you're able to see it. So this is very shiny. It's a very like almost rose gold kind of a color, very shiny. Maybe if I put a little bit back it's less, but you can check the unboxing, you can see it better. But this bag is longer. Okay, so I don't know, so it's longer. This is the Chanel one, which is a square one. Okay, so but this is the difference in between them, and of course this is longer. So I guess whatever this one half of length, this one half of thickness, like, you know, in the square way. So each one costs $20. It comes with 100 pieces, cotton pads, 100 of them. So each one have 100 and cost $20 plus the taxes. It would be like 21 something. So right there, they good. They both cost the same. And I have here, let me see if you guys can see it. Okay. Okay, I have here, this is the Chanel one with the big logo in the center. Okay, and this is the Dior one with the logo, a small logo right here in the corner, so you really can't see much the logo in the Dior one. So I like the Chanel better because look at the difference in the, don't make any difference, you know. We just wanted the product to be a big and good product, but it is here, why not, right? So the Chanel definitely is bigger than the Dior logo. The thickness, the length, okay, the size. So right now they both the same size. They both absolutely the same size, no different, nothing, it's just the same size. This is the Chanel and this is the Dior one. So they both the same size, okay? So now let me separate it. So this is the Dior, the Chanel, this is the Dior. Now we're gonna put it, the Dior is on the top, this is the Chanel. From far away you can see the Dior is thick and the Chanel is thinner than the Dior pad. And I'm gonna try to put it close Hopefully the camera can take a very good. Seems like a very good right there. Okay, and you can see, look at the difference. The one on the top is the DIOR and the one in the bottom is the Chanel. So depending on what you using this product for some of you, this one that is very thick is probably more helpful. This one that is thinner probably more helpful. It depends what is you using it for. But you can almost make 2 pads from this DIOR one. Okay, and the Chanel one I think is have a good thickness. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, so I think it's good. But this one is very, very thick. So the pro of this one is like, it's very thick. You're gonna spend more product, but you can use very good both sides. To remove makeup remover or something like that, you can use both sides perfectly, and it could use soaking a lot of product. You can actually, because it's so thick, you can actually separate it in like half and have 2 different pads. Okay, so yeah, this one could soak, the DIOR one could soak more products, okay, than the Chanel one, and you really won't probably take advantage of that. You will waste a lot of products. And a con for the thick one, which is the DIOR one, this one right here, I find out that while I'm removing my makeup is so thick that when I'm removing it, the almost half of the pad slide a little bit and the other half like different way, like that. Let me put it. It kind of like can move like that. You know what I mean? Like when I'm rubbing like this to clean it up or remove the makeup, it move. So the top one and the bottom, it kind of like go different way. While the Chanel one, I don't find that problem when I'm removing my makeup. So it stay in the same way, and I use the amount of product that I need, and they all stay here, so it's not a lot of product that I had to use, and I can use both of the sides too. Okay, so this is the pro that I find, the cons that I find from the thick one, and this is the pro that I find from the Chanel one. So another pro is that they both $20 and come 100 pads, so that is perfect. A lot of pieces for your money, so it's not that expensive. I mean, it could be, but it's not that bad. Okay, it depends. Another thing, which is my final thought about this one, I prefer for me the Chanel one. They are both soft. I feel like the DIOR is softer than the Chanel, but I prefer the Chanel because it's not too thick and don't move away half of the pad when I use it. So this is all, guys. I hope you find this informative and helpful. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, share this video, and see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.